Okay, so what I have here is I have the quadratic formula up at the top written for you. My A value is a 1, my B value is a -4, my C value is a -10. So we start plugging in. X is the opposite of B, so a +4 plus or minus the square root of. This is a -4 quantity squared minus 4 times 1 times a -10 all over 2 times a 1. So that's a 4 plus or minus the square root of. This would be a 16 plus a 40 all over 2. So that's 4 plus or minus the square root of 56 all over 2. Square root of 56 reduces to, let's see, 56 is a 7 times an 8. 8 is a 4 and a 2. So 2, 2, 2, and a 7. So a pair of 2's comes on the outside. I have 2 times the square root of 14 all over 2. And then I can reduce all of these by a 2. So I wind up with 2 plus or minus square root of 14 over a 1, which I don't even have to put. So the correct answer would be answer choice B.